What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and today we got a lot cooking, man. We got a lot cooking. I'm just now turning y'all on, but Herb been over here. He coming back. I've been so busy, man. I ain't get a chance to do everything, but so far we've got new door locks on Wifey car. He did that. We got the brakes. He got the brakes he attacking. He's gonna do all new front rotors, calipers, everything, all new back brakes and stuff on her car, emergency brake cables, whatever, man. It's a few things. So he doing that car. We got to put some little door lock clips on this car. He got to do that. My in-laws, they going to Summit Racing for me. It's a lot shaking today, man. They going to Summit Racing car. Y'all know we need 2 V-man clamps, and we putting a Wifey car need a battery, so I bought an Optimal yellow top battery for her car. So when they come back from Summit, we'll have that. Then the Donk is in the air. Herb already took the drive shaft out of it. So he doing the U-joints now at his spot, cause he had to go pick his kid up. Then he gonna make it back over here before the evening. I bought all brand new everything. I bought a huge load, man. I got brand new lugs all the way around, brand new studs. Same thing for Wifey car, all new lugs and stuff. A lot of stuff I pick up tomorrow. New back brakes, drums, rotors, for the front, everything, all new brakes for their car, all the way around. So we got a lot cooking, man. And I got to run back to the parts store right quick to get another U-joint. Cause this one right here, the Donk use 3. So yeah. So after that, I'll officially be driving this thing for real. Then like putting some miles on it. Then I'm gonna go get a tire. I gotta get a tire tomorrow. They had to order that for me. So I done made a lot of stuff happen, man. So I'm about to go ahead and get that other U-joint. And so I can get that to Herb or whatever. He'll bring it over here and knock that last one out or whatever. And then we're going to check back in, so y'all stay tuned. I'm over here with my boy Herb. Oh, man, look at this. I love these toys, man. He had been told me, I said, this over clean. Then my boy said I can drive it. He over here banging this thing. Look at this junk, y'all. Three universal joints. Back to the drive shaft. Yeah, they car nice. I love these body style toys. So yeah, gonna drive this thing and check back in, y'all. All right, y'all see I'm back at the house, picking up a trailer. Go ahead and load meat up for tomorrow. See, Herb made it back. Wife getting ready to pull off. Kids doing whatever with my mother-in-law. I got my keys. So trying to get ahead of the curve. Mighty Emma sounding good down there. Wife said she gonna go get some cardio in. I said she be going in. So I'm finna get this loaded up. Herb finna get the dry shaft back in, and we're gonna be ready to roll. All right, we back, man. Had a brief intermission. Her wife is driving, Emma done ran out of gas. As usual, her usual routine. So I had to go do that. But this all I got. My bad, y'all. I got a load, man. Whole lot of stuff. That's her Optimal battery for her Mustang. All this stuff right here. Stuff in this box. This stuff right here, all brake cleaner, and I got a lot more stuff that I ain't even got cause they ain't pick up they pick up is all for the Mustang and the Donk. So these drones, I'm finna go ahead and paint them so they'll be good and dry tomorrow. Herb already been back. He went ahead and popped the what's the name in the dry shell back in. So we got new universal joints, all three new universal joints. He got that in. We went ahead and left it up. Scratch it. We went ahead and left it sitting up. I need to watch it though. Since he gonna tackle the brakes tomorrow, so we're gonna do brakes tomorrow. All new studs in the back. So I'm gonna get up in the morning and go pick that up. So we'll have all the little back brake issue fixed. And Wifey car actually needed back brakes too, the Mustang. Then I'm gonna take this tire off tomorrow morning cause I gotta go get it. And I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna take that tire off and probably go do everything when I go drop meat off. Cause I already talked to Jesse, he gonna be band that back up. I got some stuff coming for meats too. 2 more things I gotta put on it. But we ain't finna do that right now. But it's a lot cooking. It's a lot cooking, man. So what we did so far today, Wifey wasn't able to lock the door for whatever reason. The lock wasn't working, so now she got new locks. Ain't tackled the emergency brake cable yet. Oil change. He did the oil change. We gotta pop the battery in. So he'll probably get that tomorrow. Pop the battery in. Then we was waiting on the drums for this car. They'll be in tomorrow. It's something. See, I'm glad she got these new locks. Well, yes indeed. I gotta go order that switch cause the parts store don't carry the master switch over here. So we thinking that's the problem right here. Because her windows, all the windows will go down except that one over there. The passenger window will not go down. So he think it's just this. So I'm gonna change that. It ain't gonna hurt nothing anyway. I'm gonna put a brand new master switch. I'm finna see if I can go order that. We're gonna have it looking like something right here. See, get all that rusty stuff out. So she gonna have all these new drones. I'm gonna paint hers up when they come tomorrow. It need a set of tires. The tires shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and price the tires. See if I can get a price on the tires. It hurt like I need to change. I forgot what this called, stabilizer bar or something. So I'm gonna get this. We're gonna change that. And yeah, man, we finna get everything working. I got all this stuff new. Still a little old, man. I got the new studs, hardwood kit, wheel cylinder. Look at the shoes. It needs some brakes on the bad. The drone's bad too. The drone was bad, so they're gonna be a big change, big help. And then, like I said, Mighty Emma got stuff. He doing something to everything, man. I'm getting everything right and tight. Getting everything right and tight, man. Working on 3 of them at a time right now. So we getting the Mustang together. So this video, I don't know if we're gonna continue it or what. We probably will, cause y'all didn't get a chance to see no action going on her. But we got today a checklist of what we got done. Oil change in the Mustang, door locks. He would have had the battery for the battery. I could pop it in. That ain't serious. But my in-laws went to Summit and grabbed that stuff. Let me knock out that was a big help. Cause I've been running all day from the morning, from the time we got finished working out, which Herb was already over here. I've been running. Went to parts store. It took a long time to parts store. And shout out to my boy Scott, man. Cause I put my boy to work today. How we looking up, man, I probably 50 or 60 parts. That ain't no joke, 50 or 60 parts or something. Might be more than that on my invoice. Boatload of parts. I gotta go pick up a load tomorrow morning, which will be everything. Everything will be here. But what I basically bought, all new back brake stuff right here. Everything. All new front brake stuff. Pad, rotors, calipers, y'all know how I do. Trying to knock out Wifey car, make sure she's straight. She got the locks, battery. She got this system in here, so that battery kind of shaky. So the battery, I got it now. Now I got to go get the window switch, and we found out, Herb also found out the door lock actuator, and this door right here is shot. It was seized. It was locked up, locked tight. So I ordered that too. I got that. Excuse me. The next thing, I think it's something with the windshield wipers too, with the motor. Well, she needs some blade. I was gonna put some rain at blade, but I think it's something with the motor car. I think they don't come all the way up or something. So I gotta get that. We gotta straighten that out. The knob, I need to find her a headlight knob, which I'm finna get looking at the miscellaneous stuff. Cause I gotta order that stuff called the headlight. Man, you can't pull the headlights out cause the knob is off. So we got that, and then we'll take a shot. Bam. Continue out here. So we got that. The Donk, I bought all new back brake stuff for the Donk. Everything new. All new front brakes, rotors, the whole nine. Like I said, all the tires good on the car, except that one over there. I'm just trying to get this thing road worthy as far as comfort. It's a nice car, and it ride pretty decent. It just didn't ride smooth because of the vibration in the drive shaft, which was a U-joint thing. They were shot. So tomorrow when we set this thing down, cause this car here should be finished, cause everything will be here, and maybe the Mustang. Cause I think we might be waiting on a couple of things for it. But set it down tomorrow, then I officially drive and tell the difference and see how it drives and handles and all that good stuff. Then I figure out what's going on with the radio. Car ain't got no sound. So I gotta figure out what's going on with that too. So I'm gonna tackle that, figure out what's going on with the radio. And then we going to, hood latch cable. Hood latch cable. So I got to find the hood latch cable and all of that, and see what's going on with that too, and see what's to it. So yeah, that's what we got going on the agenda. I'm trying to see who's sitting right here. Got somebody sitting in front of the house, and I'm trying to see what's to it. But that's what it is, man. That's what it is. So these people sitting, I'm finna see what it is right quick, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on, so y'all stay tuned. All right, so just been going around replacing the turn signal bulbs, and we had one that was blown right here. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's just two screws. Let me see. Sit y'all down. It's two screws that to take out the tail light. The cover, I should say. You know, they just screw in there. Man, they cars in such good shape. All the connectors even good. Usually they be dry rotted and cracking and stuff, man. Everything on that car is actually in great shape. So I'm gonna go to hunt down the little stuff, like the new light. Anything they make for this car that's new, I'm gonna get it. You know, sometimes you get with car, you get certain cars and it's certain pieces they don't make anymore. You don't have any choice but to get them old and try to restore them and bring them back to life. So if I run across that kind of part, it just is what it is. But as far as everything else, if I can get it new, I'm gonna buy it new. Like, I'm gonna do this car like meats. Like I got parts for meats that y'all don't even know about. I ain't put on video for when I get ready to paint it. I already got parts for meats. I've been getting them. Been getting them a little at a time, man. So do the same thing for this. All the cars that I really wanted, I'm gonna do them like that. Like when I get my T-top rigger, when I get me a T-top rigger, I'm gonna do it the same way. I'm going all the way in on it. Grand National, I ain't gonna have to go in on it, cause I want all original. So that's why people like, when you gonna buy it? I'm gonna buy it last, so y'all will know now. So if y'all see a video and I say I got another one of my dream cars, just know it's a T-top rigger. I'm saving Grand National for last because it's the most expensive out of everything that I wanted, and it's a true collector's item. My other dream cars, true enough, they ain't collector's item, but I just like them. Like I always wanted one of these. I got stories of how I wanted one of these, but Grand National true collector's item, man. That's it. And then when I get it, like I got this. And I got my bids and I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna hook it up. Like I'm gonna take it out the frame probably. I know I said probably. Cause it ain't like I'm trying to win a car show. But I might do it because I know I'm gonna do meets. Just to say I done crossed over that threshold and to say I done it before and you know a part I done touched on the car, but I'm probably gonna take it out the frame and all new bumpers and said tail lights. Everything I can get new, man, like I did Wifey car and like I did brown coat. Y'all see when I do the cosmetic stuff, I go in on it like I did brown coat. Every piece on brown coat new. So I'm gonna end up doing the same thing with this, man. Stuff down to this, like all the little stuff, man. If I can get it new, that actually look pretty good though. That Caprice emblem. But anything I can get new, I'm gonna get it, man. You know, make it do what it do. The door locks, I noticed. Well, my boy told me the door locks. They told me still use the original key, man, from '73. You don't see many old school where you still use the square key to unlock the door. But you have to stick the key in upside down, which means the locks switched over. Because they can't go in but one way. So basically the passenger lock is over here and the driver lock over here. So eventually I'm gonna take them off and switch them just to have it right. You know, little stuff like that. But we got let me see. I got that changed, so now I should have a good working turn signal now. Let me see. I'm out here trying to get the little stuff done. Since Heard deal he did. I'm trying to. And I done did some more stuff. I just ain't put it on camera, man. I'm trying to beat this. It getting cool out here real fast, and I'm trying to get up out of here, get in the house. Cause weather change like that'll get me. I get sick. Going from hot to cold. Well, let me see. Still staying on. That I might have a connection issue. When the turn signal stay on like that, you know you got a problem. Yep, it's an issue right there. So now I know I got a wiring. It's a connector. It's something with that connector right there. So I'm gonna have to tackle that. The bulb probably ain't blue. So I gotta see what's to that. So we gotta see what's to that. So there's some kind of connector. The fuse, I believe the fuse right there. Cause the wiper's still not going. But I got little stuff to tackle. Little stuff. That's what I like though. I like little stuff. I gotta tackle little stuff, man. Tedious stuff used to get me, and I used to get a lot of people. But I like tedious stuff now, cause stuff you used to lack in, you get better in. That's what I like to do when it comes to these cars. The big stuff, nothing. It's the tedious stuff. So yeah, I think they're gonna about do it, man. I was gonna paint the rotors, but they the right measurement. But just to be certain, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow till we actually slide them on before I paint them, and then I can't take them back. So I'm gonna wait till I slide it on and see they fit. Then I go ahead and paint them up tomorrow. So we're gonna continue this tomorrow and all that, man. But y'all see we got a lot of stuff done today. We cooking and rolling on the Donk already. We on Wifey car rolling and everything going. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.